Welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove sent by N8N. This notice usually appears when you try to send a message from a workflow that you have integrated. And it can be distracting if you are trying to keep your automation clean and professional. To demonstrate, I will use a workflow that is connected with Telegram. Here you can see the credential, the resource, the operation, the chat ID, and the text fields that make up the basic configuration. When you scroll down to the additional fields section, you will notice there is a setting that controls whether that extra line gets sent along with your message. The solution is very simple. You need to add that field and then adjust the toggle. If it is currently turned on, switch it off. If it is already off, you can try switching it on and then off again. This refresh often clears the behavior. Once you have made the change, go ahead and test your workflow again. Send a message and check if the extra note is gone. In most cases, this small adjustment is all you need. It prevents the automatic line from being attached to your outgoing messages, so your recipients only see the content you intended. This keeps your automation more polished and makes it feel less like a system-generated message. That is how you remove the sent by N8N notice.